Today we're gonna talk about 年月日. 年 means year, 月 means month, 日 and hao means day. Just plus behind number from 1 to 12 or 1 to 31st. Here we go. January 一月 January. February 二月 February. March 三月 March. April 四月 April. May 五月 May. June 六月 June. July 七月 July. August 八月 August. September 九月 September. October 十月 October. November 十一月 November. December 十二月 December. First 一号 First. Second 二号 Second. Third 三号 Third. Fourth 四号 Fifth 五号 Fifth. Sixth 六号 Sixth. Seventh 七号 Seventh. Eighth 八号 Eighth. Ninth 九号 Ninth. Tenth 十号 Actually, we also can say 一日二日三日四日五日六日七日八日九日十日 But for the oral one, we always say 一号二号 not 一日二日. The first one we use it for the oral, the speaking. The second one we use it for writing, like for the document. It's very formal way of saying. When you talk with Chinese, we seldom say the second one. We always say the first one. 一号一月一号十月一号 We seldom say 一月一日十月一日 It's very formal, not for the oral. As we already learned the months from 1 to 12, just plus the number 1 to 12 in Chinese with 月 means months. Then for the date from 1 to 10, also 1 to 10 plus 号 and 日 means day in Chinese. So it's very easy to say in Chinese for the date and months. So I'm not gonna list one by one. So for the next, I just list some typical one from 11th to 31st. So here 11th, we already learned 11 in Chinese is 11, just plus 号 or 日 11号. Actually, for the way of writing, we can write the kanji, the character, or even the number. Both is okay. This one, maybe when we fill in the form or applicant, we use this one, the number. And this one we use for the more formal applicant, like the document. So for the kanji and character, both is okay. 11号 11号 means 11th. Then 20th 20号 20号 both is okay for the rating. Then 29th 29号 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 both is okay. 30th 30号 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 Last one 31st 31号 31号 For the writing, this one is more popular to use. But this one, I just want you to know the culture, how we write in Chinese also. This one we also use, but this one is more popular because everyone wants the easy way. Now I'm gonna explain you what is the most popular way of using month and date in Chinese. As for most of the condition when we fill in the form, maybe the others will ask us, when is your DOB, date of birth? Date of birth in Chinese means 出生年月日出生年月日出生年月日出生年月日出生 means birth, 年 means year, 月 means month, 日 means day, 出生年月日 So when someone asks you 你出生年月日是什么时候 When is your birthday, date of birth, 出生年月日 So for the writing, we answer completely. But for this year, we read the number one by one. 1990 1990 We don't pronounce 1009 separately. We read it one by one. 1990 means 1990. 1990年4月1日。1990年4月1日。This is for writing. 1990年4月1日。This is the formal way of answer the DOB. But if, let's suppose some friends, we talk with each other, but I just get to know you and I don't know when is your year of birth. So we ask, 你哪年的？你哪年的 means which is the year of their birth. 你哪年的？你哪年的？ This is very informal way of saying 你哪年的。So this moment we are not gonna answer 1990 We don't reply like this. We just say 90年的。We only answer the last two numbers. The last two, not complete one. 90年的 means 1990. 88年的 means 1988. 2000年的 2000. Or 01年的01 means 2001. So this is a way of informal way of answer the year of birth. So this is the order for we describe the year, month, date. Year, month, date. This order is totally different from English. English, the year is behind, but in Chinese we use it for the first beginning. Now there are two questions which is very well used for we asking the question about the date and week. The first one was the date today. In Chinese is 今天几月几号今天几月几号几 means how many, what. 今天几月几号 Ji is very common to use in Chinese for asking questions or things you don't know. But here, 几月 you can delete it, you can leave it. You can also say 今天几号今天几号 This moment we already know what is the month for this month, but we're not sure about the date. So we just say 今天几号 Then is what day is it today? 今天星期几 For the last video we already learned 星期 means week. So we just plus 星期几 means we want to know what is the day today. 今天星期几 What day is it today? This is about week. This is about date. Okay, now this part, this is the last point I want to explain to you. So just now we learned for the January, February, 1月, 2月 till December, 12月. Here we always use for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months for asking about some period. In Chinese we use different way of saying. 1 month in Chinese is 一个月, 一个月. Here we can see this one, 个. 个 here it means 1 unit. 一个月, 一个月. We cannot delete 个. If we delete 个, 1月, it become January. It's totally different meaning. But we need to use this 个. This unit 一个月 means 1 month. 1月 means January. This is very big difference. So I hope you can memorize 一个月. So same 3 months 3个月3个月3个月 This 个 unit you need to use it all the time. In Chinese this is a little bit difficult grammar. For the noun, before noun, we need to use some kanji, some unit to describe the meaning. 3个月3个月 Then 6 months 6 months 6个月6个月6个月 6 months also means half a year. So in Chinese we have the same meaning, the same way of using half a year. 半年半年 半 means half. 半年半年6个月 same meaning, 6 months and half a year. The last 12 months 12个月12个月12个月 Also 12 months means 1 year. So we have 一年一年 also means 12 months. 一年一年 Also here is a special one, 18 months. So below we can use 13 months, 14 months, blah blah. There's one 18 months. 18 months. 18 months also 1.5 year. So 18 months means 18个月18个月18个月 We also can say 1 year and a half. 1 year and a half. 一年 means 12 months, 1 year. Half 一年半一年半